I'm about to try out Raos homemade, all-natural, premium 4-cheese pasta sauce. Now, the 4 cheeses that are in here are Parmesan, Porciano, Romano, Grana Padano, and Asiago. All right, so I'm gonna try this out. I like Raos brand in general. They make quality products. You can see right here it says since 1896. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and open the top, nice looking top right here. And already I can smell it. There's the pasta sauce right there. Kind of just want to eat the pasta sauce right off the cap right there, but I'm not going to do it because I'm classy. So I'm going to go ahead and sit this down, and I'm going to bring out my spoon, and I'm going to go ahead and taste this and see if I can taste the 4 cheeses that they have in here that they're talking about. I like all 4 of those cheeses, so it should sit well with me. I'm gonna go ahead and get in there a little bit, and there is a spoonful. Let me go ahead and try this out. All right. Definitely taste the cheeses. I enjoy it. It's good for jarred pasta. However, if I were making my own pasta sauce, adding the cheeses, I'm sure it'd have a different flavor. And I'm not just saying that I could do it better, but fresher cheeses I would definitely notice. But this is comparable to adding fresh cheese. Say, for instance, you don't want to have all those cheeses on deck. It's good to have a jar of it already mixed into the pasta sauce. So as far as that's concerned, coming in a jarred pasta sauce, it's really good. I bet when I heat this up, it would be even better than what it is right now. The cheese can melt a little bit. So this is the pasta sauce, very tomatoey, not too acidic. Really good. I think you may like it. I like it. Pretty decent. So that's Raos homemade 4 cheeses pasta sauce. Thanks a lot for watching.